Yeah, I think you're gonna have to deal with this, Annie. So it started out up here. I was talking to Shay. She said, "Hi, Riley," and I was like, I thought it was a normal talk. And then it got weirder, like, "Do you like candy?" And I said, "Yeah." She it's pretty intense. Like, she did a private chat with me and she's sorry. She did a mistake. Lie. Here at the bottom it says, yeah, she said, she also, you should probably, yeah, I'm pretty sure Shay is getting really mad.